I'm wearing my Crocs for comfort today. This place is amazingly beautiful. I love pine trees. The weather's great. The scenery is amazing. I'm surrounded by these traditional Korean Hanoks. I think the groundskeeper is just going to show us around real quick and then we'll continue on with the video. Usually these houses are heated through these. So actually they'll light this, which is like a little fire pit. And then there's sort of like a system underneath the house. Sort of like Roman style, if you've ever seen that. Where it heats up the floor, which is sort of like why all Korean houses and homes all have underfloor heating, because it comes from like this. So they keep a stock of wood in the back here. So the way this is laid out is there's sort of like a main central area here, which is sort of like a living area. And there's 2 rooms on this side, 1 room on that side. I think we're going to try and open up some of the windows though, some of these little door window things. And then you've got this sort of like front seating area as well. There's all these tiny little flies everywhere. There you go. So this is kind of just set up like this is basically like a hotel type thing. Obviously, because it's Korea, it's all floor sleeping stuff. So you just sleep on the floor. It's got aircon as well. So like the main living space with this table, which I guess would be nice in the morning if we open up the windows, let all the light in. They've got a little mini fridge, first aid kit, mosquito spray, got a little vacuum. The Wi-Fi is there as well. Hairdryer and stuff too. Some little seating mats. And through here, this is room number 2, which I guess there's no bedding in here yet, but probably me and my sister will sleep here or in the back there. And then this is just the final room on this side, which is exactly the same as the other side, I guess, with bedding and everything. So it's all floor sleeping. Sliding door things are all made of wooden frames and paper, so there's almost no soundproofing at all. So we'll see how this goes tonight. The only thing is the kitchen and bathroom is all separate. So here's the kitchen, really basic. I mean, we're only here for 1 night, so we're not going to do much in here anyways, but it's got a fridge. Right next to it, the shower, which again, very Korean, very basic. It's like one of those showers that just everything can get wet, but it's clean, so it's good. And then the toilet. The toilet is, yeah, just a toilet. Light switch, yeah, there you go. Basic toilet. It's got a bidet though, which is nice, I guess. Yeah, we're only staying here 1 night, but we've always wanted to stay in one of these, and this is my first time. And I just wanted, while we do this, I just wanted to make like a video just showing how like these houses are set up, and I thought it'd be really cool. I figure let's go check out the surrounding area too. It's so nice. They've got this giant tree where the gate is, so it kind of like frames everything really nice. But I think this is like a cherry blossom too, so maybe in the springtime it looks really good too. You can see in the front there how some people have taken these houses and modernized them with proper windows and all sorts of like proper doors and everything, and I think it looks amazing, and it's something I really wanted. Like, life goal is to live in something like this, a modernized Korean Hanok house. Oh my god, it's so nice around here. Not sure what that is, but it looks fairly abandoned. Might be like a tomb or something, or a shrine, something like that, because it looks like there's a gravestone there. Really nice pine tree here, but the view from out here is so good. Just mountains, sun's coming down. There's a road in the distance which you can kind of hear, but it's not too loud, especially from up there. But everything's so nice. So Gyeongju is the old capital of Korea before it was Seoul, so that's why around here there's like loads of really culturally significant buildings and just things and all sorts of stuff as well. So we're just visiting to show our auntie around just for one night because it's not too far away from where we live, so we'll be heading back tomorrow. Oh, sun's really strong here. Just woke up from sleeping in the Korean Hanok house. Drinking coffee. I think it went pretty well. It was actually quite comfortable. I mean, sleeping on the floor, but I'm used to it. I was worried about the noise of everyone else because the walls literally are paper thin. But everyone else stayed pretty quiet, so slept pretty well. Woke up at like 7:30 though, so, but I wanted to like get up early, at least catch some of this nice morning light, and it's really, I think it was worth it because it is really nice out here. The birds are going crazy right now as well, but that was our night in a Korean Hanok house. I think I'm gonna call it here and move on to the next